Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. Well, do you like these ribbons? If you want to create these kind of ribbons, then this project is for you. Yes friend. So, let's come here. This is a new document and first we need to create this artwork and then we are going to implement it on a 3D object. Yep, okay. So slowly you will get to know the secrets behind creating this ribbon. So first of all, we need to create this kind of artwork. For that, it's really very simple. Select the rectangle tool and just draw a rectangle just like this. Make its color, say, okay, color doesn't matter. Let's make it this one only. And now, select the selection tool. Using Alt key, create a copy and place it just below it and intersecting it. Okay, so just touching it only, I'm creating it, but at the ends are touching. Okay, so I have created one rectangle and next I have copied and placed it just below it and it's having no gap. That's it. Okay, and now select this object and press Ctrl D. Yup, what Ctrl D does is it kind of remembers that what you did in the last transform. What we did, we have copied a rectangle and pasted it and we have placed it just below it and it is getting copied multiple times. If you press Ctrl D multiple times, then your last transform will be copied multiple times. Now select the alternate rectangles and you need to delete it. Let's delete. So we got this shape. Now select all of these, come to the symbols panel and let's create a new symbol. So how you can create it? Just drag all of these and place it here, and we want to make it a graphic. New symbol, let's make it say ribbon. Registration, we want the key point to be at the center only. Now click on OK, and now we don't want this ribbon I mean those rectangles. Now what we need to create a circle, very small circle. Yup, just like this. Now let's go to the effect menu, 3D, extrude and bevel. Let's hit the preview option. Extrude depth. Now we need some depth to this 3D object. So for that, we are going to increase it a little bit. And we are going to work on this lengthy part only. Okay, I mean to the lengthy part only and make sure to rotate it like that we can see only this depth part and nothing else. Now when we are done, we need to click on map art. So you are getting the points, right? So we have created a circle, small circle, and then we have provided extrude and bevel to this object. Now let's go to map art. This is where the fun begins. Yup. Here you will see two options, symbol and surface. For the symbol, we will select ribbon. Oops, this is really big. We need to resize it properly. Let's click on scale to fit, but not this one. Let's make it none. Let's not select any kind of symbol here. We want to work on surface 3. Now why surface 3? If you take a look here, here we are having only three surfaces. It's showing one of three. And which one? See here we are having some red stuff going on here, some red border. So this is the surface one, that round shaped, okay, front face. Then the second one is here. We have another round shape, that one. And the third one, see, some red stuff is going on here again, and this is the surface 3. So this indicates that this is the surface 3 on which surface you are. So make sure that you have selected this surface 3, and now we will select ribbon as our symbol. Now let's click on invisible geometry and let's shade our artwork. And now we need to rotate it and see, it's already getting some effect, right? Now we need to rotate it very carefully. Yup. Now you may think it as a tedious job, but yup, you have to do some work with it to match those like this to make it a ribbon effect. Now when you are done, click on OK. That's it. That's it, guys. So now go to Object, Expand Appearance, and there you go. Now you can copy and paste it like this. Yep, okay. And this one we have provided a background to it. That's it. That's why it was looking like that. So you can also do that here also. How? Create a rectangle. Arrange, send to back. Let's provide a radial gradient and see, it is also looking nice, right? And here we have provided some different color. This is also looking nice. Yup, okay. This is looking really nice. And this one, yep, something like this, or even lighter than that. Yeah, okay. And now let's select these two. Oops. Select these two. There you go. Okay, guys. So that's it. Now I think that you already got the concept how we can create these ribbons in Illustrator. Yes, this is how we can create. And it's really looking cool, right? Okay. So here I'm concluding this project. See you in the next project. Till then, have fun. Take care.